No person to be registered in more than one constituency. Section 17 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. Explain the Section 17 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. They will also be able to understand that no person can register an electoral roll in more than one constituency. Article 324 of the Constitution is about superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in Election Commission of India. Its clause 1 says preparation of electoral roll and conduct of election will be done by the ECI. Article 327 is about power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RPA Act 1950. Section 16 of RPA Act 1950 comes under the Part 3, that is, electoral rules for assembly constituencies. Section 17 of RPA Act 1950 is about no person to be registered in more than one constituency. It says, no person shall be entitled to be registered in the electoral roll for more than one constituency. Because of the Article 324, electoral roll comes in force. And because of Article 327, Parliament has framed the RPA Act in 1950. Conclusion and extra points. Section 17 provides that a person shall not be entitled to be registered in the electoral roll in more than one constituency. The elector shall be liable to be penal action under the Section 31 of RPA Act 1950 if he gets his name included in the electoral roll at multiple places, despite knowing that his name is already included in the electoral roll, and he suppresses that fact by making false declaration in claim application, that is, Form 6. In Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, the definition of public servant related to election is given. Chapter 1, Section 2, Subsection 28J of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita says, person who holds any office to prepare, publish, maintain or revise an electoral roll or to conduct an election or part of an election will also be known as public servant. Section 212 of BNS says, furnishing false information to any public servant is a punishable offence. The punishment for this offence is imprisonment up to 6 months or fine up to Rs 5,000 or both. So if any person is giving false information regarding multiple registration, then he or she is also liable to be punished as per this section. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to stay updated. In this educational video, we have learned about the Section 17 of the RPA Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.